There are 2 meetings in January. The Federation meeting will be held Tuesday, January 19th at 7 p.m. via Zoom. You will need to pre-register for this meeting, so watch for the link via email and in the newsletter. We will also be kicking off our annual fundraiser during that meeting. The January Livestock PDC will meet on January 28th at 7 p.m. Location is still to be determined. The PDC will be discussing those learning opportunities that will take place in 2021. In January, we will offer Winter Wonderland project kits. These 6 activities will challenge you to explore your outdoor winter wonderland, to either gather supplies or use the project outdoors. Sign up by January 18th. We will kick off our annual fundraiser at the January Federation meeting. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to support your club and your projects. It will also help you learn how to set and manage goals, improve your confidence in connecting with people, as well as increase the ability for you to manage your finances. Did you know that 40% of your profits go directly back to your club? Hey Animal Project participants, as we start to plan project days for 2021, we want to know what will be most impactful in your project learning. Please take 2 minutes and fill out a survey. Follow the link in the newsletter. Can you believe it's time to think about animal IDing for 2021? Beef and dairy steer ID deadline will be February 16th this year. Check out the Animal ID article to learn all about the IDing updates for 2021.